guys, she is going away for a little while. Why is she going away? Because we got swirl marks all over my baby like crazy. And she is basically going to get pampered all day. I like that look. That's like a matte look. That's just frost. She's been sitting overnight. Look at her idling. But yeah, she's going away for a little while. She's gonna get polished, high-speed polish, exterior detail, clean the rims, under the hood, everything. Get rid of all those swirl marks. I'm taking her to this place called Carolina Springs, Carolina Auto Springs. They're gonna keep her for about half the day and just take care of her. Get rid of all the swirl marks and stuff. You can't see them right now, but there are plenty of them. We'll do like a before and after. But that's what we're on our way to, 7:30 in the morning. My appointment's at 8. Let's go ahead and get it. No more swirls. See you guys when we get there. All right, guys, so let's keep it real, man. You know black like I know black. It's a beautiful color. When it's clean, it's the most beautiful color in the world. When you black out the car, tinted out black, rims black, all the details and accents black, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beauty. Is he trying to rev his engine at me? But it's a beautiful thing or whatever, right? But you know that black is by far the hardest color, the most difficult color to keep clean, and not only keep clean, but to protect it. In other words, swirl marks, just general marks from the road, anything like that is going to show up twice as visible as any other color, right? And you guys may not be able to see it on my videos or, you know, to the naked eye, but I can see swirl marks all over my damn car. And a lot of you guys have been saying, you know, get it ceramic coated, get it taken care of, and that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off. I'm going to this place in North Carolina called Carolina Auto Springs, which is like a all-around detail shop, you know, all-around detail shop, all-around detail place, or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna drop it off up there. I'm gonna have them hit it with the high-speed polish, have a nice coat of protection on there, get rid of all those swirl marks, and get my black back to black, right? No swirl marks, no scratches, no paint messes, nothing. They're gonna do a full paint correction, clay bar, the whole nine. I think it's 2-step polish or whatever the case may be. And by the time I get my baby back, she should be in beautiful glory like she was when I first bought her. And I'll take a lot of responsibility for the mess that I made with my car as far as improper washing techniques. You guys have seen my washing videos and have gotten on me hard about that. I haven't been using the 2-bucket method. I haven't even been using, when I first started, I wasn't even using the straight line method. I was just in there swirling like crazy, making a mess, creating all those swirl marks. And then to some degree, to my understanding, even from the factory, swirl marks come on most black cars, right? So it's not perfect when you buy it, but it's certainly better than what it looks like now. So I'm gonna drop it off up there. They told me it's gonna take 3.5, 4 hours, maybe 5, which is basically half the day. So, you know, my baby will be gone for a little bit, but hopefully when I get it back, it'll be beautiful, black and beautiful. That's a brand. But yeah, that's what we're doing, man. Complete exterior detail. They're gonna take care of it, get my car back to its original luster. The only questions that I had was with the tire stickers. You know, I basically told them that, hey, listen, you can't just use any type of tire gloss on those tire stickers. You know, you can use bleach for the white, but when it comes to the red, you can't put bleach on there or anything like that. So that shouldn't be an issue. But other than that, our appointment is at 8. It is 7:38. The place is right up the street. Well, not actually right up the street. It's actually in Lake Norman. This is the first time that I'm using them for something like this. I've had them hand wash my car before with no issues, but this will be the first time that I've actually had them doing some serious work. And to my understanding, they're legit. They got their own shop, and they actually got a black paint specialist. So for all you guys out there that's got dark colored paint, specifically black, whenever you get in your car ceramic coated or paint corrected, make sure that you specify with, you know, whoever you're getting it done, like, hey, listen, I just want you to know, you know, I'm pretty sure you can see it, but my car is black. And whoever you got working on it, I just want to make sure that they're good with that. You know, they're good with the color. Because to my understanding, Some of these guys are really good with bright colors, but when it comes to black, they're just not that detailed, and they don't have that eye, and they don't have that patience, whatever the case may be. So just, you know, something to warn you about there. But yeah, it's a new experience. We're gonna see what it looks like. I gotta actually drop my baby off, and then my girlfriend's gonna pick me up and go from there. But yeah, as always, guys, I will see you when we get there. Peace. All right, she's gone. Gonna get a good polish, good two-step, everything. Get my baby all clean. Detail guy's on his way. We'll see what it looks like. They're gonna keep it for about 4.5, 5 hours, then get back to me later. All right, see you guys in a minute.
5 hours later.
Oh yeah, freshly polished. Swirl marks, none. That's how black is supposed to look right there. Tire stickers clean. Look at the black. I had a whole bunch of scratches back here. This is where the louver flew off of my car, and it scratched the hell out of my paint. Absolutely nothing. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing. No swirl marks. Clean. Tire stickers clean. Look at it in the sun. Nothing. That looks good. That looks real good. It's been your boy Knockout 360, man. Just got the car polished, waxed, detailed, two-step polish, the whole nine. Carolina Springs Auto Spot, Lake Norman, North Carolina. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah, guys, so the baby is clean. No swirl marks, no more scratches, man. I had a whole bunch of scratches and swirl marks. I remember from where the louver was back here, when it flew off, it just scratched the hell out of my paint. And there is nothing there. Like, look at that. Nothing. They did a really good job, man. Really good job. Tire stickers super clean. Tire stickers clean. Look at that. Front end clean. No swirl marks at all. Swirl marks are gone. That's how you're supposed to do it, man. Really clean look. Really clean. So basically what they did was clay barred it, did a paint correction, two-step polish or whatever the case may be, and got rid of the swirls. I had a bunch of scratches and stuff on the back, got rid of those. I had hella swirl marks up front. I tried to clay bar the car myself in the past, and I ended up messing it up. There's something that happens when you clay bar it and you don't put enough lubrication on there, and it screws it up. So I did that. They corrected it, and they got this thing shining, man. It hasn't looked this good since it left the dealership, to be quite honest with you. Like, just look at the shine. No swirl marks anymore. Everything is just clean. Very clean. But yeah, guys, that package actually only cost me $175, man. I dropped it off at 8 a.m. and I just got it. It's 4. It took them half the day to do it, man, and I'm perfectly fine with that, man. Take your time. But definitely a clean job, man. $175 for that. Left the tip for the, you know, the processor, the dude that knocked it out. Super clean, man. Super clean. Carolina Springs Auto Spot in Lake Norman. I'll put the information in the description. Tell them Knockout 360 sent you. They'll take care of you. Talk to Franco. He's a truth, man. Solid guy, old school dude, you know, muscle car guy. He asked me if my car was manual. I said, hell no. It's automatic as hell. But definitely a clean look, man. And great job. And I'll definitely be getting this done periodically throughout the, you know, as I own this car or whatever. Maybe once, twice a year. Not too often. But certainly clean, man. I recommend this to you guys. You know, get your car taken care of, do a full detail, drop a little bit on there. It's Christmas time, drop a little stack. We know you got your bonuses and all that stuff. You about to get that $600 stimulus check. Go ahead and drop a little bit on there. Nothing wrong with that. Treat that car. You know what I'm saying? Treat it like you would treat you. So, as always, it's been your boy Knockout 360. No more swirl marks. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.